Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Yucaipa local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Yucaipa moving company means you need 3 movers. We streamline the entire moving process. Our local and long-distance moving services offer the right options for you. Whether you're moving a large home, a studio apartment, a business, or just one large item, we are ready to go to work for you. When you need to move 100 miles away or further, we have the right long-distance movers for you. Our team can get you to the next state over or across the country efficiently. With our help, you can worry about other important things on moving day. We offer basic moving services along with all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company isn't an easy decision. You could do it all yourself, but it's a lot of work. Even though you may only need to go a few miles down the road, you still have to load everything up and unload it. With a professional moving company, you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Hiring 3 movers will save you time. We know how to get you moved into your new home faster and more efficiently. Our team does all the heavy lifting for you. If the move will take you all weekend to complete, we can do it in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Yucaipa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.